Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the online video lecture on Module 1, that is the Introduction part on Operation Research. Here, as you know that it is one of the Operation Research is one of the discipline in engineering field that is used to optimize the time, efforts, resources in order to improve the productivity and profit. Okay, here it is one of the technique that is used to optimize the time, efforts, resources in order to improve the productivity and profit. Okay, that another name we can call it as this is one of the optimization technique, okay, which helps to take the decisions, okay, regarding the time, okay, resources, profit and losses. Okay, there are two main objective of this operational research technique. Is when it comes to profit, the objective is to maximize the profit, and when it comes to loss, the objective is to minimize the loss. Okay, totally overall we can call it as this one is an optimized technique, okay, that helps in decision making process regarding the time, efforts, resources. Here in these slides, okay, different scientists proposed different definitions, okay, regarding the operations research. The first scientist, Morse, he said OR is the scientific method of providing the executive departments with a quantitative basis for decisions regarding the operations under their control. Okay, he mainly concentrated with the decision making process. Okay, and the second scientist, Miller, he proposed the definition like this: OR is a applied decisions theory. It uses any scientific, mathematical or logical means to attempt to cope with the problems that confronts the executive when he tries to achieve rationally in dealing with the his decisions problem. Again also he is also concentrated in the decision making process, how to it is helps in decision making process by using scientific and mathematical principles. Okay, and and the third one, that is OR Society of America. Okay, this society proposed definition of OR like this: OR is an experimental and applied science devoted to observing the understanding the and predicting the behavior of purposeful man-machine system, and OR workers are actively engaged in applying this knowledge to practical problems in business, government and society. And next, that is T.L. Sati, he proposed like this: OR is the art of giving bad answers to the problem which otherwise have worse answers. Okay, that means what he said is, that is whatever the answer that you are getting from the OR technique, that answer is better than the worst answer. Okay, now these are the applications area where we are going to use the operations research. Okay, in industries, it is used to optimize the, as you know that OR is the optimization technique, where we are going to use this technique in industry to optimize the utilization of resources such as men, materials, machines, money and time. Okay, and as you know that in the previous video lecture that you have discussed the different OR techniques, or we can call it as OR tools, Okay, LPP, transportation, inventory, sequencing, all these tools are that we are going to use in the industry field to optimize resources, okay, such as man, material, machines. Now second application, that is in finance. Okay, in finance, these are situations that we are going to use the OR technique to determine the best product mix for maximization of profit. Okay, the main objective is that to maximize the profit, and evaluation of best replacement policies, and each flow cash flow analysis, and capital budgeting, optimal utilization of finance for better results. That is with respect to the in the finance field. And when it comes to agriculture field, this can be, or technique can be used to optimum allocation of land to various crops in accordance with the resources utilized, as well as the climate condition, optimum distribution of water and other resources. Next one is the fourth application, that is in the government sector. Okay, where we are going to use our technique means to maximize the per capita income with the minimum resources. And next one is to allocate the finance to the various ministers, okay, to use the maximum returns. To allocate the finance to the various ministers means various departments. And next one is to alleviate the poverty and hunger through the better utilization of the funds and the resources. And in the fifth application, in that is marketing field, okay, where we are going to use OR to determine the best distribution strategies with the help of transportation and traveling salesman algorithms, and to determine the selection of best advertising media for maximum and appropriate to reach. And third one is to determine how, when and what to purchase at minimum cost. And sixth one is in production management. Okay, in order to schedule and sequence work activities according to the production plan, and to select the locate and design plans for production purpose, and to calculate the optimum numbers and size of items to be produced, and to calculate the optimum product mix. And seventh one for the miscellaneous areas using various OR techniques such as replacement models, okay, Markov chain analysis, motor chart simulation, dynamic programming. Okay, thank you.